Hi friends, welcome to Java Minds group. In this video, we will learn about HashSet in Java and what are the methods using in HashSet and examples. What is the meaning of HashSet hierarchy? So that we will discuss in this video. So as seen in the diagram, HashSet will implement set interface. So Java HashSet class is used to create a collection that uses a hash table for storage. It inherits abstract set class and implements set interface. So this is all about hierarchy of HashSet. So now we will discuss few important features of HashSet. Are it implements set interface. The underlying data structure for HashSet is hash table as it implements the set interface. Here we can see in the diagram it implements set interface and duplicate values are not allowed here. Objects that you insert in hash set are not guaranteed to be inserted in the same order. Objects are inserted based on their hash code. Null elements are allowed in HashSet. In this HashSet, it allows the null values. HashSet also implements serializable and clonable interfaces. This is all about the hierarchy of HashSet. So now we will discuss some important points about HashSet. So in HashSet, it stores the elements by using mechanism called hashing. It contains unique elements only. It allows null values. It is non-synchronized one and it doesn't maintain any insertion order. Here, the elements are inserted on the basis of their hash code. Earlier, we discussed linked list and array list that maintains the insertion order, but HashSet won't allow the insertion order. It maintains the order which is using their hash code. HashSet is the best approach for search operations because the elements which are inserting in the HashSet that are based on the hash code and the initial default capacity of HashSet is 16 and the load factor is 0.65. So let us understand few difference between list and set interfaces. In the list, we can understand it allows the duplicate elements, but in case of set, it won't allow the duplicate elements. It allows only unique elements. Now we will understand about few of the methods which we used in HashSet. So here the methods are add. So add, this method is used to add the specified element to this set if it is not already present. And the next method is clear. This method is used to remove all of the elements from the set. And clone method. This method is used to return a shallow copy of this hash set, that is instance. Next is contains. This method is used to return true if this set contains the specified element. I mean, hash set contains any values, then it will return true. Is empty. So it is used to return true if this set contains no elements. If the hash set contains no values, then it will return true. Iterator. It is used to return an iterator over the elements in this set. And remove method. This method is used to remove the specified element from set if it is present. Next is size. This method is used to return the number of elements in the set. Split iterator. Split iterator. This method is used to create a late binding and fail fast split iterator over the elements in the set. So whatever the methods which we discussed here, so that methods we can understand each step by step by using program. Let us understand HashSet examples and the methods how we used that we can understand by using the program itself. I opened Eclipse editor. In this one, I will create a package like package is com.hashset because I am creating examples of HashSet. I created examples here. So just I will create a class of HashSet example. I'm creating HashSet example here. I'm selecting public static void main here. Just I'm removing these comments. So first, what is the syntax that for HashSet? The syntax for HashSet is HashSet. So this type we have to use if you are using for a string, then you have to use a string type, or if you are using for integer, then you have to use for integer. So depends on the type. If it we are using for string, integer, float, double, so whatever the depending on the type we can use this one. Currently I'm using this one for integer type. So this is numbers. I am creating a hash set of numbers, new of hash set. Hash set. So this is from java.util.hashset. So we are taking from the java.util package. This is the hash set syntax. Now we understand some of the methods like add method, remove method, add all, and is empty, is contains. So these are the methods. So let's understand one by one methods. Now I will explain you that add method. Add integers. So this is integer type. So we need to pass integer values here. Like I am passing 10 here. Numbers dot add 30. Numbers dot add null. Numbers dot add 40. Null we will use later. That concept we'll discuss later. So this is 20. Numbers dot add 50. So here we can see first the number which we are inserting 10, 30. Second is 30. Third is 20. Fourth is 40 and fifth is 50. So But what we discussed that HashSet won't maintain the insertion order. So the values which are storing inside a hash set, that is based on hash code. So let's display the hash set here. Elements of hash set are I'm just displaying the hash set elements that are stored in the numbers hash set. Just run this program. See 50, 20, 40, 10, 30. So the elements which are inserted first is 10, but we are getting 50 as a first element, and second element we are inserting 30, but we are getting a 20. So that is what we can understand by this set example, that the values which are storing inside the hash set, that is not maintaining any insertion order. It purely maintains by using hash code. By the hash code, the values are storing inside a hash set. So this is an example of add method also. The first method which we discussed, that add method. And we have size method. The size method which we discussed, that numbers dot size. This is the size method. So that we will display the size of this hash set. Size of hash set are size of hash set is. So directly we can print this value here. Size, what will be the size of this one? Size is number of elements which we inserted into the hash set. So here there are 5 elements which we inserted in the hash set. So let's run this program. See, 5 elements are inserted into this hash set. This is the size method. And we discussed some more methods like numbers dot. These are the methods which we discussed: add all method, clear method, contains all, equals, for each. So next I will use a clear method. What it will do, the clear method? As we said already, that we discussed, clear means it will clear the collection, I mean the hash set. So let's run this program. What it will display in the numbers and the size. See, it is totally empty, and the size of hash set is 0. It's clear the hash set values. So this is a clear method. Next, clone method. We discussed about clone. Let's run this program. Clone, it will create a new copy of the hash set. So if how we can use add all method and contains all. So this method we can use now. We have a iterator also there, a remove method is there, remove all is there. So I will use a remove method now. A remove. So I will remove based on index or based on directly the value. Yeah. Now I'm removing only the first element which I inserted. So when I run this program, it won't display the value of 10 in this hash set. So let's run this program. See, 10 is not available in this hash set. So because remove method, what it will do, it will remove the elements from the hash set. This is based on the value, but what based on index also. Based on index, how we can remove based on index. No, we don't have a remove method based on index. So we have the method like a remove object by using object only. Now for each method. So for each method, how we can use here numbers system.out.println numbers. No, this is a local variable. So let's run this program. For each method I'm using here for each method. This is the for each output by using for each method. So if for each method you have to use like this. This is the syntax. This is the hash set. So after that for each and num is a variable. So this is a lambda expression system.out.println and num is the values which are iterating the values from the hash set collection. So this is the output of hash set. Now we can understand how we can iterate the values from the hash set. I mean by using a iterator or by using a for loop. This is a for each we understand, and one more method is there, for loop is there. Let's remove these lines because of confusion. So I will use for method for iterating the hash set. So it is of type which type? It is of type integer. So we have to use a integer here. Integer I colon and numbers. Numbers is a hash set collection. So then we have to use a system.out.println. Then I just we are printing the iterated values. So this is a syntax of for loop. This is a for loop for iterating the elements of hash set. Before this, I want to print elements of hash set. Elements in hash set are. So let's run this program. See, the elements in hash set are 50, 20, 40, 10, 30. So it won't maintain the insertion order. Now, one more method that we can use to iterate the elements. So that method is iterator by using a iterator. So that how we can use the iterator. Iterator just we have to use a collection that is a numbers. Numbers is a hash set. Then if you just press a dot, then it will display all the methods which are we can able to access. Just to press iterator, I iterator. So then we have to use this iterator. So we have to assign this value to one of the variable to iterate. Just I'm assigning this to iterator. Iterator IT. This is of which type? It can. So we have to define this one. Just click on double click this one. Create a local variable. So it created a local variable. Iterator of type integer. So this is how we have to use a iterator. We have two methods inside a iterator. One is hash next and next method. We have to use a while loop. While it dot has next. Then within the while loop, we have to use a system dot out dot println it dot has next already we use. Then we have to use the next method. So here before this we have to use the elements in HashSet using iterator method. I will run this program. So see the output. So elements in HashSet using iterator method 50, 20, 50, 20, 40, 10, 30. So here using for loop and this is using for iterator. So this is how we can store the elements using add method and how we can iterate. So these methods we discussed here. Some more method like is empty is there. So that method we didn't use that one. So it will return true if it is empty. So we have to use a one collection, that is a numbers dot is empty. So it will status. I mean, I will display this as a status. The status of HashSet is equal to. So this is numbers dot is empty. Just I will run this program. See, the status of HashSet is equal to false. Why this is false? Because this contains the elements. It contains the elements. That is what it is returning false. How we can make it as a true? Then in that case, we have to first clear the collection, this HashSet collection. Then we have to use a clear. Now we will get a true value here. Let's see. HashSet is equal to true because it is empty now. That is what we will get the empty HashSet. This is the method of is empty. And one more method that we discussed, that is contains that we have to use 10, 30, 20, 40, 50 is there. So we have to use one element, that is 50. 50 is available or not. First we need to comment this one because it is making the collection as the empty. Now if this 50 value is available in this HashSet, then it will return as a true. Otherwise it will return as a false. Then we have to print contains status. Contains status of HashSet. Contains status of HashSet is plus. We can use this one inside a system.out.println. Let's run this program. See, the content status of HashSet is true. Is it true? Because 50 is available in this collection, in this HashSet. Now, the number which is not available in this HashSet, so it should give the value as a false. Let's run this program also. See 60, which is not available in this collection, in this HashSet collection. So I will run this program. It should return a false here. See, false here. Content status of HashSet is false. So this is the method contains how we can use in this HashSet, and is empty method how we can use in the HashSet. So the methods which I explained here, like first method, we understood that add method. So add method is empty contains, and how we are iterating the using for loop for each method, and iterator. So all we discussed. One more point that HashSet will allow one null keys. I mean null values. It will allows, not null key. Numbers dot add null. So null we added here. Null we added here. Let's run this program. What status we will get and how many elements it will display. See, null also it is displayed. So it will allows the null values also. One more point that it won't allow the duplicates here. Let's add one more duplicate. Duplicate in the sense, for example, 10 is added here. So one more 10 I am adding here. Value, one more value 10. So it will take as a duplicate or not. Let's run this program. 10 I added 2 times, but it came as only one time. Only one time. That is what it allows, only unique elements. It allow only unique elements. It won't allow the duplicates. By this program, we understood that it allows only unique elements in the set. So this is all about HashSet functionality, HashSet methods, and HashSet how we can use in our programs. Thank you for watching this video for HashSet. For more information about Java concepts and Java updates, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you for watching this video.